dead pan a live and boy, she go make 2 man call me and come kick me in my body and come go and go sit down now, man, easy yourself. Easy yourself, big woman. You do too much. Take a break, man. Give yourself a new start. Do what me I do, brother. Give yourself a new start. Yeah, make man a call me, boy. Me come flush out my head like Bubba Skin. All of that not necessary. The first time I come tell the people, them say, everything where you talk and so it come need a DNA, and if you can do, if you can do. You come make man a call me, for me sell it up an unknown number. One a change in voice and one a talk normal. One depend. Boy, call you. And one a talk normal. Me I say, what that? 2 times them call, I'm just answer them for hear them I say. Man I say, yo, cause I want 3 if you come up here, yard, come flush out your head, no, but I really dead. I say, bro, say that really hurt me too. Me and the woman in the altercation, and I say, I need a DNA. I don't want to do that, man. You know, no sense, brother. So me have to deal with him in the dog. Brother, the man say me come flush out me like overskin floor. So me step forward and say me ready to be a man if a man youth, a man youth. Most of the people me say that, you know. Just want to screen the card and put it up so if anything happen to me, you know what to do. Because we do that for come. Relax, man. Take a deep breath and take a fresh start, bro. You know what? Do your chip, brother, but you need to just take a fresh start, man. Lego me, man. Young youth, you know, brother. Lego me, man. Come, man. If you do the DNA and do what you do, and Lego me, man. No joking thing, brother. No joking thing. Because them think they're serious thing when they say every day people are dead. Lego my shirt, bro. Lego my shirt, man. I'm free now, brother. That's what me just. Class. That's what me just. You see me? I just can take a fresh breather here, dog, and come relax now, man. Relax. I'm not drag you, I'm not do nothing. Because everything you come back and say about me, and I be a lie, I could have come back and be a man and drag you and say, oh, where, and you know what I mean? That me not drag you, brother. I'm not drag you. I say I want to do the DNA. If we pick me a man, what I do, what I do. You say, you're not doing the DNA and really, you're not kill this. Well, fine then, brother. Fine. Yeah, I just want people to know, says they to make people call me and check me. What that for? For a big woman. And when me could do you say in a life? Me not deal no more. You claim so we have a child together. You could do the DNA and let me do what you do and you stay over there some stuff for you. So what you want? Me if you go back and forth till you pray for hurt me. Cause me not go pray for hurt you. What me I pray for hurt you for? I'm going if you relax yourself, relax your status, relax everything. Take a deep breath, man, and take a fresh start, man. A 2 girl baby have, you know. Take a fresh start, mama, man. Take a fresh start, auntie. Do me, man. One time come tell me that, hey, everything when you say, wait, stop. Look for me as that. Because when people hear about cause alone come in the brother, you bring corruption to my thing. I swear, you bring corruption to my thing when people hear about cause. As some look out. You see me? Laughter, brother. You bring corruption to me thing and think I'm not telling a lie. I know you go boy, you go make man a check me. Dog. You know what you say, brother? I'm reach a point I'm tired. Just want to Lego everything there. I don't want to come about it every day, brother. I just want to let it go. I tell you like auntie, you make man call me about top call, come here for me about DNA. You come flush out your head. Know exactly where you live, up at Red Hills, the unfinished house. I said, little boy, brother. Little boy. I take my empress a good all thinking never them, you know. So come over like say me a back out and say yo, they could get like my word, me not do that. I mean not say my word, me just need to do the DNA. Eh? You know, me say show them everything can but that lead to people that check me. So me I show them from there to this. So me I show them what cause all of this. Me I bring violence can come and say yo, Ray and blah blah blah. No. So why should I make man a call my phone? You should even give my number. Where I give my number for? It's a business personnel. But you do that for give man my number. Me them boy they call my phone and about Ray. I foolish that. I not about no Lego that or Lego this. I really think me I show them that to show them this. I really think better you make man a call me about. You come say this man about me say it as nothing but me really have to make you know. Yeah. I'm but you know what? Leg off for the whole of that. Just me leg off for the whole of that. Just a leg off for the whole of that. I just the woman go make man call me phone. I say me don't come a one day thing me come both in a brother. I know you make man have to call me so me have to come again in a brother. Brother, one day thing me just want people to know say everything where you talk and I saw it go and me hold it for 2 years and hard. Me just a normal out so I say Jesus Christ. I say make them think of them mountain, and one time me say you know what? Cause you can't make people look upon you because you're not like that. The one time I step forward and stand up for myself, you're going to make man call my phone. Come in on no power, you know. I'm not afraid of you, you know. Because in the name of Almighty God, you know. I'm not telling no lie. No lie on the come. I'm not telling no lie. Because one day I come to clear my name and done. That's all I come to do, you know. Then you're going to make man call my phone. No, I take it like everybody with me I tell you me can't take it light. So if you go take it light. Everybody with me I tell them I contact say because they can't take that light, you know. They can't take that light, you know. And I can't take it light for true because you spend our last money to old woman crazy, bro. Not even live no life yet, virgin. Me no got this up, me no got this here, me no got that there. And you want, come me no live no life yet where you don't want somebody to come hurt me. I say that want to see the whole of your money knows a dead, baka. What's up? Come now, man. Prosperity for me, man. Preach that for me now, man. Lego me dog, I'm free myself, brother. I'm come here, but I'm here for long. I'm finally come and free me heart. So when I don't talk to you today, brother, and end my life. Brother, I say you want a long time I feel so free in myself, in my soul. No long I feel so free in my soul and my heart. They are going to make man call me. Me come flush out it up already, you know exactly where you live, you know, up at the unfinished house, you know. Stop talk about DNA and that never sound good. But that don't look good. And if I for me alone, me don't come say it back. If I me have alone, me don't come say it back, you know. It's easy, man. Easy, man, and love me, man. You're young, you know. You know how much of the life you live already? How much of your life you live already? Decade pan decade you're there. No chance, man. Leg on my shirt, man. Leg on my shirt, man. You want a man come kill me. For what? So me I step forward and say I'm ready to be a man. But I want to do the DNA for my heart, mind and soul. You want every day, you want me to tell me if I say something my heart hurt me. And I said, Jesus Christ. Suppose one day I find something my way. I depend on something to die. I have a heart failure, I'm weak with my heart. I depend on a certain style. I have to take the thing to my pace. A real talk come. So why you don't want to send man my number for hurt me? Why you don't want to send man for hurt me now? Little cause. Little cause you just want to father the man like create a havoc. bring down the man to the ground when he walk on, and then when the man finally free up him chest and him heart, mind and soul, you go tell the man, say if you call him, you go send him money at Western Union and call him, page him, don't do that, man. Because you have to pay that. If I don't want to pay that, I never them. You can't do that, girl. You can't do that. You think like a big woman, man. You think like a big woman. I'm sorry, I say, yo, dog. I say, yo, I'm going to ball with the situation of you. I say, yo, what you even know, come. I bring you down still, mama. I bring you down. Free of you. I bring you down. But you see, I can rug right the way and I can call my phone and about this and that. Take it easy. Because I don't come to you in a violent manner. I come to you with a low-abided manner. Make sure I can know, say, if I'm do the DNA, everything alright. You don't want no one going to skin out your body pan live, man. No, sir. No, sir, brother. Auntie, I beg you, dad, just give me a break, bro. Please. Tired of you, man. I'm not telling no lie, brother. I'm not